Number 1. Chevrolet Corvair, 1966 year of issue. This Corvair comes with a blue exterior paint over a nice black interior. Powering this rear-engine Chevy is a 140 CI flat 6 paired with an automatic transmission. This Corvair comes with some nice features such as front sports seats, manual windows, a spare tire, a new fuel pump, new sway bar mounts, and new tires. Drive this one out of our showroom or have us assist with shipping it to you anywhere in the United States. Don't hesitate to give us a call with any questions or for more information. The Corvair was manufactured and marketed in 4-door sedan, 2-door coupe, convertible, 4-door station wagon, passenger van, commercial van, and pickup truck body styles in its first generation, 1960, 1964, and as a 2-door coupe, convertible or 4-door hardtop in its second, 1965, 1969, with a total production of approximately 1.8 million from 1960 to 1969. The name Corvair originated as a portmanteau of Corvette and Bel Air, a name first applied in 1954 to a Corvette-based concept with a hardtop fastback-styled roof, part of the Motorama traveling exhibition. When applied to the production models, the Air part referenced the engine's cooling system. Links to listings below. Number 2. Volkswagen Super Beetle, 1974 year of issue. Presenting this 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle convertible that is finished in Biscay blue combined with a black interior. This California car is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, flat 4 engine, Solex carburetor, VDO speedometer with a fuel gauge, floor-mounted shifter, black convertible soft top, chrome bumpers, dual exhaust outlets, chrome ring headlights, fender-mounted turn signals indicators, rear deck lid with louvers, 4-spoke steering wheel, Carman fender emblem, Volkswagen branded hubcaps, jack, and a full-size spare tire fitted in the front trunk. Amenities include forward-folding front seats, rear bench seat, manual crank windows, vent windows, front luggage compartment, passenger rear-view mirror, glove box, Sapphire Zixi 8 radio, and a fender-mounted antenna. This example comes with a receipt copy for a service complemented in October 2022. As a vintage vehicle, this Super Beetle convertible comes with a rich history and a unique character. It is important to note that this car needs mechanical work, which is reflected in the price. However, with the right attention and care, this classic VW can be transformed into a stunning showpiece or a reliable daily driver. A well-priced Super Beetle that is running and driving nonetheless. The undercarriage will need work before the car is roadworthy. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 3. Chevrolet Corvair Monza, 1968 year of issue. A previous respray of butternut yellow drapes the exterior of this sporty air-cooled car. There are many areas of scratching, chipping, and a few dents and dings, and plenty of invasive rust throughout. Chrome is fair with loss of shine and dimpling creeping in. A black padded canvas convertible top moves up and down, however has some wear, particularly along the cloudy plastic window surround areas. Shiny chrome wire wheel covers with spinners are wrapped in black wall tires. There are 4 new white wall tires to be included with the car. Interior looking good for the door panels and front buckets and rear bench. These look to have been completed and show as originals once did. The floors have plenty of surface rust and no carpeting. The dash is in a state of initial wiring with no gauges hooked up at this time. The board with the gauges is included. A rally steering wheel is attached. Drivetrain. This car came with a 164 CI flat 6-cylinder, and it is not known if this one is original to this car. The consignor states this is a 1967 140 HP engine, non-smog with headers. A 2-speed Power Glide automatic is bolted to the mill, and a 3.55 geared axle puts the power to the pavement. Links to listings below. Number 4. Dodge Dart, 1964 year of issue. Presenting this third-generation 1964 Dodge Dart convertible that is finished copper combined with a brown interior. This black plate California car is equipped with a push-button automatic transmission, inline-6 engine, Carter single-barrel carburetor, single exhaust outlet, convertible soft top, boot cover, chrome trim bumpers, 2-spoke steering wheel with a horn ring, Krakow AM/FM radio, bench seats, lap belts, manual crank windows, dual side rear view mirrors, glove compartment, sun visors, and fender-mounted antenna. Completing the look of this vehicle are the Dart-branded hubcaps, which add a touch of authenticity and style. A jack is included for any necessary maintenance, and a full-size spare tire is fitted in the trunk, ensuring peace of mind on your journeys. Despite its salvage title, this vehicle is still running and driving and is priced to sell fast. This American classic is in need of repair due to the accident damage, but with the right expertise and attention, it has the potential to be restored to its former glory. Links to listings below. Number 5. Pickup truck, 1977 year of issue. Here is a solid 1977 Ford F-100 pickup long bed. The body is good, the paint is fair. The frame, floors, and cab mounts are good. It is a Kentucky truck. It has a set of aftermarket chrome wheels that are presentable. The tires are 50% at best. It has a bed liner, a new rear step bumper, and a slider back window. If you want to install interior is fair, dash is good, seat is okay, door panels are fair. It was a 3 on the tree manual. Now floor shifter still 3-speed. Under hood is a 302 V8 that runs well. It has power steering and power brakes. Also, don't know if motor is original. This is a solid truck that you have plenty of room to paint and fix it up as you wish. These trucks are selling in the 20s.